Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Different Bloke with Mick, myself. And tonight we're going to be giving you a quick rundown of the news nationally, internationally, what's up in the air, on the moon, all sorts of different things. We're going to go straight into it. Okay, first of all, spaceship. Yes, that's right. Elon Musk, Starship, all ready to go now. All the loose ends have been tied up there, so that's on its way to start its journey. We have the Indians again have launched another interesting probe, this time to the sun. So I'm not exactly sure what that's about. We all know it's going to be hot. But, well, maybe they're sending some curry or something, see how hot it is against that. I don't know. But strange, that one. Right. Moving straight on, we've still got the moon lander there, still a bit of information as we get there. But the main one with we'll call it the conspiracy theories, has been Maui, with the disaster that took place in there with the big fires. There seems to be really confusing. I can't work it out exactly. There seems to be strange figures of thousands of people missing, hundreds of people missing. And then it was started by Project Bluebeam. I can't make anything out. All I know, it was a massive disaster. My heart goes out to the people in there, but I don't understand exactly what's going on. I don't know who to believe, who not to believe. Everyone's having a time of life if you're a conspiracy theorist saying this, that and the other. So I'm out on that one. I'm just going to wait and see what happens. It's a big catastrophe. People lost their lives, and that's the main thing to worry about, not all this hooing and humming. Right. I have to say about the weather at this point as well, because that was weather related, or the weather anticipated made it worse. Okay, right. We have a Category 5 hurricane heading towards over the sea. I'm just saying heading towards the Americas. This is Hurricane Lee. It's expected to come close to places. I'm not gonna go to that point. I've seen all the readouts and everything like that. All I'm going to say is everybody needs to be wary of it. It is saying a Category 5. I don't think they come much bigger than that. I think that's 200 mile an hour wind, so that's going to knock anything down it comes across. So let's hope it stops out to sea and doesn't go near land. That's our best thing, our best hopes for Hurricane Lee. Right, we'll see how the track plays on that one. If it gets towards the weekend, it looks like it's going to hit land, then I'll give my version of it. Not many people listen to me, but we'll do it. Okay, moving on to that one, we've got the UK. Right, now the UK is a bit weird, this one, because this is involving a lot of countries in Europe, this next thing. It's the migrant crisis that's going on. Now, in the UK, the government is saying now that if you are accepted for migrants, whatever you want to call it, in the UK, after 7 days of us saying yes, you're approved, you're homeless. Okay. Now, we're all in favour of stopping the boats, but this is just ludicrousy, because if you're going to do that and you're going to let all these people on the streets with no help whatsoever, they're going to rob and steal. It's as simple as that. So I don't know who the government is trying to fool. They're not fooling anybody. You need to just stop the boats. That's what you need to do. Right. But on the other hand, Belgium, they are now saying no. No to young, unattached migrants, we'll call them. Men between, of a fighting age, we'll call it. They're going to be saying, no, we're not going to accept you. So that's it. Looks like Europe is starting to put its foot down. We've also got Greece there trying their best to stop them. We've got lots of different countries. Italy again, they're having problems there trying to stop them. They don't know how many people have actually drowned in the Mediterranean. There's that many people coming over in boats. Right. And that's that one. As you know, I don't go into too much. And the final one is Birmingham, the biggest corporation, we'll call it, in Europe, public corporation in Europe, went bust the other day. It went filed for bankruptcy, or their version of bankruptcy. And then today, apparently, Plymouth could go the same way. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on, what makes Plymouth different. I don't know. I haven't looked into it yet. It's just fresh. As I've said, it's coming today. So we're going to have to look more into that. So that is the news, and I've done it in a record this time of nearly 5 minutes. Okay, sorry about that. I hope you have a lovely evening. Remember, if you want to see weird, wonderful things, we've got all sorts coming up soon. Remember to push that button for subscribe. Tell your friends about us. Get us on, and we'll have a bit of a laugh and a joke. Hopefully with better news in the future. All right, take it easy. Have a lovely night. Ta-da!